Everlasting fire. Contrary to popular belief, Satan doesn't reside in hell. Since it's a place of torture, it's not a place he wants to dwell. The Lord has prepared a place not long after Satan rebelled. It's a place of everlasting fire, where God's judgment is upheld. Anyone who's been condemned will share in Satan's grief. Their punishment will be just. There will never be any relief. There's no need for sympathy. Satan acted on his own accord. Once he was consumed with pride, he could no longer worship the Lord. Since he knows where he's heading, he's consumed with one desire. He's deceiving as many as he can to join him in this everlasting fire.